Today I am here in Chiba to see the beautiful tulips. This place is Sakura Hometown Square. Here you can see the beautiful tulips, and every year they held a flower festival here in Chiba, and you can see the Holland style this windmill. See the different types of tulips are blooming here. You can see the tulips are blooming, and here you can see the trains are also moving, so it's really a nice view. I'm wondering, is it a tulip or not? Because this type of tulips, see the petals, it's different, and this is also tulip. So it's different, so the petals are different and the colors are also different, and you can see the Holland style windmill, and due to that it looks very nice. Wow, and this is my favorite color, pink tulips. I love this color. This road is entirely filled with white tulips. Such a beautiful place. You can see the different varieties of tulips here. Some are white, some are yellow and red. So this place is really wonderful. And you can see the windmill, that Holland style windmill. So this place is very nice to take your Instagram pics. See the shapes of these tulips. Over there you can find a restaurant where you can sit and have your lunch or snacks, and there are so many food trucks over this side. So if you want to spend your entire day, yeah, you can have some food and you can spend your wonderful day here. So Archishman, do you like this place? The windmill and the tulips?
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Like, you can take a good photo with the windmill.
Yeah. Can we go inside that windmill? What do you think?
I think we can because I just saw a few people inside the windmill from the window. So I think.
So let's go over there
Yeah.
and check it. Water is surrounded here. So here the tulips, and I think you can go inside of this place. Today is very hot, but due to this water, I'm getting a cold breeze here. And in this water, you can find some fishes. So it's pretty interesting. So many fishes are swimming. I think koi fish is there.
オレンジの鯉さんがいるね。
お魚食べたいって。
ほら、あの木の子だったでしょ。意味があったらそうだよ。マックス切れるからね。
Over here, they told us about 3 types of windmills. They are very fascinating.
From the inside, you can get a glimpse of the outside tulip garden. You can visit inside of the windmill, and this is a great place for the kids. So inside you can find some bicycles and some nice photographs, how the windmills work, and they give some description. So it's a nice place for
And
kids.
you can ride in cycles like I am right now.
Yes.
Yeah, wooden shoes.
See the shapes. These are tulips. There are so many different types of tulips. Their color and their shapes all are different. So there are so many food trucks from where you can have your lunch or snacks. It's like roses. Oh. These are like twinkling lights. You can see the beautiful Chiba Sakura here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more new video updates. Thank you for watching this video.